Man, your father is not around. Can you? Because I mother knows the mother what's up now. One better. How are you? Hey, onye kwala ga efe ka o westiela material. Ke wusa na alaka ka eyi na ahụ. The cloth where they for grand, the plenty pass the one where they take so cloth. People go, I can do anything for you, no be for your sake. Eh? I can travel, I want to see you. Hey, go in. If you need this sexy. It is sexy, baby. It is sexy, baby. You are so sexy. Hey.
I know.
Thank God your daddy is not around. I swear. Die your palate. That man, they fuck up. Hey, I love you so much.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Papa. Adana.
Papa, no.
Oh, how are you?
I'm fine.
Get in.
How are you?
I know. Hey.
Papa.
Eh?
It's not a be EJ. EJ Ozi.
EJ Gonum.
It's not EJ meeting. EJ for the big.
I have gone to see the Igbo. I have also gone to see my friend. I have also gone to the parish. I also went for confession. I also went to see Egu Janka. Janka. Yedihem genyegi chineke amama mazura. Get me something like with the man or
Coco always going. But I mean.
Michael, okay, eat it. Stand up for your father. Let me sit down. Very fat place. Hi, okay. He's a golem on up. I am on Uzo. I will make a baba. Let me hear it. Hold it to your father. Hey, hey, he's a mother carry. He's a golem nago. What is it in one go? Ele cook more one up here.
Papa can't buy me.
Apple garden. I want one name, but I'm but one time. Heat is too much. I need to relax outside. I go there here till 9 p.m. Yes. Did you? Get the cook. Go cook for me. Go.
She get the cook.
Get me cook only. Make it faster. Hey, it's a bolemo. Madam Chama menu. Hey, brother. Come when me up parachi neck. Or the word of my Jesus. Get the cook. What are you standing there? Get my cook. Hey. Hey, wagon, how the cause I go? You got to see the do me. You got to see the do. Hey, why, brother? Opening way is a wonderful God. As a cook, only when you lose your strength, you take cook for your strength to be built. Hey. Cook, talk at Diana, Chiarica with us here. The sugar and obesity too much. You might say by today, the place we went today. This guy from Enugu na Janka man, where they get a bandes. Janka and his group of Ogene music. Hi, Janka go kateguta. If you see where they bought so many new instruments. They bought plenty equipment. Janka zurudo. Ụfọdụ ụmụ egwu ya judu na-amụta egwu. Ụfọdụ ji ekwe, ụfọdụ ji ọyọ, ụfọdụ ji ogele amụ. Ha na-amụ ihe egwu, ha na-amụta. Ndị mmadụ gbakọrọ, arịka abịrị oche, ha na-akụ gbemgbelidi. Na-asị ịgba nke akọla ihe. Arịka chezara enwe nke emechara, Janka atọ n'oke. Turn like this. Be the zero. Hey, yo. Hey, egwu nke nwere egwu anyị gbaga mba anyị wụ ụmụazị ha na-akụ ya egwu ndị mmụọ jam otu ụkwụ jam ụkwụ abụọ jam oche oke esi nna m oche onye gbajiziri ụkwụ oche o ji esi nwa ụdị chi ekon dị too shake enwere janglova ụmụazị ndị na-eme enyere ma janglova abụlịgbo janglova oteleboto janglova oteleboto a na-awa ya bebe weta mkpọ mgbe a bịaziri weta mkpọ akụkọ m ka aja a na-akụ ya onye ga-ebule ego ọgọdọ osisi aka idiot, you want to fool your father? Don't you know before you start all this nonsense, I have done it long ago. I have done all this since I have done all this krukere. That person is not from Omaka. You came to my house. I have warned you several to stop coming to my house. You can do anything you want to do outside because my daughter is no longer a baby. But don't find her inside my house. That is telling me that I cannot do anything. Just go and thank your stars I'm in a good mood. Not just some shit confession on Batana. If not, what I would have done to you, you won't be regretting all the days of your life. What a mess. Go and thank your God. Gambia. Nonsense. If you are looking for somebody's daughter and without permission, you are not a suitor, you did not make a promise, you are not anything to that girl. And if the parents allows you, those people are not worthy to be parents. Everybody, open your eyes wide open. Go and come back. Idiot. You think you can fool me? Am I your mate? Hey, Papa. I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed of you. Mama, an old school. Somebody who have traveled. Do you know how many cups of kunu I drank before I did it? I want them kunu tiger not to with him not before Mopaka. So you have to be wise. You think you can fool me? I am not such father. I am not and I cannot be. My eyes are wide open. My eyes are on you. I got my eyes on you. Read my lips. Next time I will see him here, I will pour him a seat. This is just a play ramble. Idiot of no comparison.
I know you
I'm a magnitude. I got my eyes on you. Say it.
I know you got your eyes on me.
Good.
Papa, hey. You got my eyes on you.